Good morning, everyone. Another beautiful day has dawned, and we've gathered here for our morning assembly to kickstart our day with positivity and inspiration. Rise and shine, dear students and faculty members. It's a new day, a new beginning, and a new opportunity to make the most of our time together. Greetings, fellow learners and educators. As the sun rises, so do our hopes and aspirations. Let's begin this day with a heart full of gratitude and a mind full of determination. Hello, one and all. We've gathered under this roof once again to embrace the power of a new day, a fresh start, and a chance to grow, learn, and inspire. Good morning, friends and mentors. In the spirit of togetherness, let's take a moment to reflect on the importance of unity and purpose as we begin our day. Welcome to a brand new day, ladies and gentlemen. Each morning is a canvas, and it's up to us to paint it with the colors of positivity, enthusiasm, and dedication. Greetings, bright minds and guiding lights. Our morning assembly is not just a routine, but a reminder that every day is an opportunity to shine and make a difference. Good morning, students and staff. Let's gather our thoughts and energies as we commence another day of learning and growth, united in our pursuit of excellence. Rise and greet the day, scholars and educators. Today, we come together to remind ourselves of the power of education, community, and the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Hello, everyone. Our morning assembly is a symbol of our commitment to learning, respect, and personal growth. Let's start this day with purpose and enthusiasm. Feel free to use these lines as a starting point for your morning assembly speech, and adapt them to suit the specific message or theme you want to convey. A warm and wonderful morning to each and every one of you. As we gather here today, let's remember that our actions today can shape a better tomorrow. Good morning, dear friends and mentors. It's a new day, a new opportunity to learn, grow, and inspire. Let's embrace it with open hearts and open minds. Greetings, fellow learners and leaders of tomorrow. In this assembly, we come together not just to start our day, but to ignite our potential and passion for excellence. Hello, bright souls and guiding hands. Let's begin this morning with a sense of gratitude, unity, and a commitment to making the most of the gift of a new day. Welcome to another day filled with promise and possibilities. In our morning assembly, let's remember that we hold the key to unlocking our own potential and the world's transformation. Good morning, everyone. It's in this assembly that we create a shared space for inspiration, reflection, and to reaffirm our collective commitment to growth and progress. Rise and shine, dedicated learners and educators. Let's use this morning assembly to remind ourselves of the boundless opportunities for learning, collaboration, and innovation. Greetings, champions of knowledge and kindness. Today, we come together to set our intentions, cultivate a sense of purpose, and embrace the opportunities that come our way. Hello, students and teachers. As we gather here today, let's remember that each morning is a new page in the story of our lives. Let's write a story worth sharing. Good morning, rising stars of our school community. In our morning assembly, we renew our commitment to strive for excellence and create a positive impact in our world.